challenge grabbing all the screenshots, challenge laying them in this way. So now, and we can truly capture click by click the experience that they're going to go through. It feels like a huge value add when someone does something like that for you. One second, I'll pull up the right one to show. Okay, yeah, here we go. So a big piece of working with us is, well, how do you actually use the platform that we're selling? So this is a more basic one that we built, but the meat of it was really in this proposal experience or in this click-through experience. And what we were doing, which was so time-consuming and not really scalable for us, was going through and creating a series of screenshots, right, based on the interactivity of the platform, doing the flyouts, the call-outs, right? And this was a challenge. It was a challenge grabbing all the screenshots, challenge laying them in this way. It was very, very time consuming. And if you needed to make an edit, it wasn't really easy to make the edits. So that's when Chris joined, we started looking into, okay, what are other ways that we could do this? That'll be a lot more easier, more scalable, a lot more time efficient from where we were. So then that led us to, well, we don't want to change the frame of where we were. We like the Saros frame, but we wanted to bring in an experience that was much more true to what the advisor or wholesaler or whoever was going to experience. And now we can go through and we can go in specifically to that person's login, right? So we have a login for each firm that we work with, and we can truly capture click by click the experience that they're going to go through. And so this is when Chris came upon iorad. We had our first conversation with Sean, which was not all that long ago. Mm-hmm. And then, we're delighted by the fact that we could easily take this and integrate it into the Saros experience and have the best of both worlds. So a good example of how we've taken this further. So this is one that Chris created. We took an experience and we blocked out like specific carrier. We didn't want to have to create 17 different experiences for that insurance company level. So we went through and made this one, then Chris went and blocked out, right, blurred, obscured the company name. So it allows our content to be a lot more malleable than we had before. And again, it's that portability of the two technologies that made this possible. And in fact, our own sales team, actually one of the best pieces of feedback that we got was internally, I'm going to use this because now I've got this custom branded experience. Plus, I don't need to rely on logging into the platform, hoping the UAT environment works, hoping there's no glitches. I know this thing is going to work all the way through. And for the most part, if you're on the other end of it, you don't even really think about it, right? It feels like the live platform.